The objective of this lesson is to understand the ISBLANK formula. And basically, ISBLANK formula is a formula that you use usually with other formulas like if, for example, and it will test whether a cell has blank content, so nothing in it, or whether it has some content. So I have put here some examples with cells having different types of content. So you have a text, a Boolean value, true or false, another type of text, a number. Here is a number stored as text. So sometimes when you download data from system, the number is stored as text. You can convert it to number, obviously, and then a date. And if I try the formula, I'll write equal is blank. I open the parentheses. I just select my cell, close the parentheses, enter. I can drag the formula. It's just going to select the other cells. And as you can see, the only one which gave me true is the one which has nothing in the cell.